turtle. Turtles can hold their breath underwater for hours while they nap. Dolphin. Dolphins use clicks and squeaks to chat. Each has its own name sound. Shark. Sharks never stop swimming, not even when they sleep. Blue tangfish. Blue tangs can brighten or fade their colors depending on their mood. Orca. Orcas teach their young how to hunt using clever teamwork. Penguin. Penguins take turns babysitting each other's eggs in the cold. Spider crab. Spider crabs decorate themselves with seaweed to hide from predators. Great white shark. Great white sharks can leap completely out of the water while hunting. Pufferfish. Pufferfish fill up with water to turn into big, spiky balloons. Sawfish. Sawfish use their saw-like snouts to sense tiny movements in the sand. Walrus. A walrus's tusks can grow as long as a baseball bat. Starfish. Starfish can regrow missing arms. It's like having ocean superpowers. Llama. Llamas hum softly to talk to each other when they're happy or curious. Stingray. Stingrays glide like underwater birds, flapping their fins to fly through the sea. Caterpillar. A caterpillar eats and eats until it's ready to turn into a butterfly. Flamingo. Flamingos balance on one leg to rest and stay warm. Lion. A lion's roar is so loud, you can hear it 5 miles away. Lobster. Lobsters can live to be over 100 years old and never stop growing. Cow. Cows have best friends and moo sadly when they're apart. Eel. Electric eels make their own electricity to shock prey and protect themselves. Squid. A squid's eyes are as big as soccer balls to see in the dark, deep sea. Pufferfish. Baby pufferfish can puff up even before they're fully grown. Shark. Some sharks glow in the dark, lighting up the deep ocean. Whale. A whale's tail is so powerful, it can lift its whole body out of the water. Dog. Dogs can hear sounds 4 times farther away than humans. Crab. Crabs can grow back lost claws, like tiny ocean superheroes. Octopus. An octopus can change color and shape to blend in anywhere it hides.